Hi friends, it's me, Miss Chacon. We're back on Tuesday, and today we're going to be learning how to count on tens and ones. So yesterday, we just learned how to count on tens, so we would add tens. Today we're adding tens and ones, so this is going to be really fun today. Also, just a reminder, be sure to check your class dojo in the morning and at night so you'll be able to get our videos and fun updates from me. And just some resources. You can always, if you need extra work, you can always look over here. I have a lot of extra work for you all. We have tic-tac-toe, exercise our brain, online books. So if you ever need any extra things, it's all on here. If you maybe have gone through your whole packet, then I've got you. Don't worry, I can get you some more stuff, okay, my friends? Also, remember to turn in your homework. You can send me a picture. You can post it on Class Dojo here. You can send me a picture. You can email it to me. However you do it, you can send it however you want. I know we're all at home and we may not have access to the same exact things, but however you want to turn it in, as long as you turn it in, you will get a dojo point. So when you get it, so let's say we give Bianca a dojo point for turning in her homework. I'm going to give her a dojo point for participating. And there's Bianca. Once you get to 15 dojo points, you will be able to get your drawing posted on Class Dojo. Remember, it could be a drawing, a painting, Lego creation. You could maybe bake a cake, do something cool. However you've been spending your time at home, I want to see, and I want to see something really cool. So if you get 15 dojo points, you get it posted right here by me. Just like this, my friends. So, let's get started on our math today. So, today, let me just get my pen ready. So it says, there are 35 people at a baseball game. 3 more people come to the game. How many people are at the game in all? Now, let's see. We have 35. Let's change that to blue. We have 35 plus 3 equals 38. Now, that's a pretty big number. Here I have 2 digits and then 1. That's very hard for me to count with my fingers because I don't know about you, but I don't have 35 fingers. So that's going to be kind of hard for me. So what I'm going to start by is drawing 3 10 blocks because we have 3 10s right here. See how we have 3 10s and 35? So I'm going to write 3 10 blocks just to help me out. So here's 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. Now, I don't just have 3 10s. I have 3 10s and 5 1s. Because remember, it's 35. 3 is in the 10s place. 5 is in the 1s place. So 3 10s and 5 1s. So 3 10s, and I'm going to draw 5 little 1s blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is 35. I have 1, 2, 3 10s. So 3 10s, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And we can also count it like this. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So these blocks represent the first 35 people at the baseball game. But then what happened is 3 more people came. So I'm not, remember, this is a 3 in the 1's place. There is zero numbers in the 10's place. So I'm not going to draw 3 more 10's blocks because it's not 30. There is nothing in the 10's place. There's only a 3 in the 1's place. So I'm going to draw 3 more little blocks. So 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to have, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So our new number is 38. Let's see if I can trace this. Okay, and if you see what I did here, so the numbers in the blue are 35, so the blocks in the blue are 35. I did 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So there were 3 10s and 5 1s. Over here, I added 3 1s. Not 3 10s, 3 1s, because there are 3 1s in 3. So add 3 1s to 35, you get 38. So let's go to the next page. Oop. 1 second, my friends. So on this next page, what we're doing is we're going to take what we just learned, how to add 10s and 1s, and we're going to use it. So this one says find 26 plus 3. Count on by ones. So here we have 26. See how we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So there's 26 right here. Then we have 23. Then we have 3. 1, 2, 3 right here. So 26, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Then I'm going to add 3 more. 27, 28, 29. And 29 is my answer. Same thing over here. So we have 26 again. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Then we have 30. 10, 20, 30. So this is a big number. Both of these are big numbers. So what I'm going to do is I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 36, 46, 56. Now, if you don't know how I did that, I added by 10. So I have 26 here. I add by 10. So 26, 36, 46, 56. I just counted by tens. Or if you think that was a little confusing because you're used to counting by 20, 30, 40, 50, just think of it like this. If you have a lot of 10 blocks here, just count the 10 blocks first. So don't count the ones blocks last. So let's count the tens blocks first. So 10, 20, we're going to skip these, 30, 40, 50. So in the tens place, I'm going to have a 5. And then in the ones place, we'll just count the ones. So we have 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And then in the ones place, I'm going to have 6. So you can either do 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 36, 46, 56, or just count the tens first because the tens are the easiest to count. So we can do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then count these. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Either way is fine. Remember, this is math, and in math, there is more than one way to get the right answer. So however you choose to do it is totally okay, as long as we all end up with the same answer. Okay, my friends? So let's start with this one. So here we have 47, and we have 47 blocks. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Then we have plus 2. So we have 47 plus 2. So we have 47. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Let's add the other two. So 47, 48, 49. And that's how you do it. So let's try number 2 now. So let's do a black one right here. We have 47. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Then we have 20 more right here. Now, we can do this one of 2 ways. We can either add the 20 to 47, or we can count the tens first and then the ones. So we'll start by adding the tens first, because for me that's the easier way to do it, okay? So I'm going to X them out as I do it, okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm not going to count these because these aren't tens. So I have 40, then 50, 60. So I have 60. So I have 60 so far, but that's not my answer. I don't stop there. I still need to count my ones. So 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Our answer is 67. Now, if you think, oh, Miss Chacon, that's really hard for me, that's okay. Everyone has different ways of doing things. So what you can do is you can start counting. You can start with 47 and add 20. So let's count 47. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and then I'll change the color. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Now let's 47 plus, so 47, 57, 67. You just add 10 more and then another 10. So 67. Okay, now we have 13 plus 3. This one's a little easier. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That was super easy, my friends. And remember, if I'm going a little fast, because usually in class, I can see if someone's confused and you can raise your hand and say, Miss Chacon, I don't understand this. So if I'm going a little fast, you can always rewind the video and watch this again, or you can just ask me a question on Class Dojo. I'm always available, my friends. So here I have 13 plus 30. Now first, I'm going to start by adding them straight through, and then for the second time around, we'll add by tens, okay? So the first time around, I'm going to go by twos. So I'm going to count from the beginning. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 23, because I just added the tens place. So 13 plus 10 is 23, 33, 43. So my answer is 43. Now, if that method does not make sense to you, then we add the tens first, because we can just cross these out really quickly. So we can go 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. But remember, 40 is not our answer. We still have to count our ones. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. So there's two ways to find this answer. Whichever one is easier for you, my friend, you can do it. And then talk math. Remember, during talk math, talk it through with your family, your fish, your animals, and you're going to say, how many tens do you count on add 32 plus, how many tens do you count on to add 32 plus 40? Explain. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the tens place in both of these and say, how many tens am I adding? So remember, here is 3 tens, here is 4 tens. So in your answer, how many tens are there going to be? So they're not asking ones, they're not asking for the ones, they're just saying how many tens are you going to be adding when you add both of them? What is your tens place going to be? So talk it through and tell me the answer, my friends. So here we're doing on my own. And with this, you can do this part on your own. I know you can do it. What you can do is you can either use blocks, or we can do it. So you can use blocks. You can use blocks and you can do it on your own, or you can draw a picture, anything like that. Here, it's the same exact thing as this, but you're going down. So I'll do this one with you. So 44 plus 3. Now, what I can do is I can draw, what we'll do, I'll show you. So whenever we add, you always add the ones place first. So I know I can't add down here in the tens place, so let's do the ones place first. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 I count on, so 4, 5, 6, 7. And now my 4 tens right here, there's no tens here. So what I can do is I can just bring it down. And that makes 47. Okay? For this one's a little harder. There's 0 tens here. There's 0 ones here, and there's 8 ones here. 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0 is 8. But then we have to do the tens place now. 8 plus 1, 8, 9. Makes it 98. So start with the ones place, then move to the tens place. Okay, my friend? On this one has the blocks, so this will be easier for you. For this one, start with the ones place, and then move to the tens place, right here, okay? So for the ones place, you'll do 0 plus 2. Let me erase that. So you'll do 0 plus 2, and I know that 0 plus 2 equals 2. And then for my tens place, 3 plus 2, 3, and I have my finger, so 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. Makes it 52. Okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to do 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 15 through 18 on your own. You're going to pause this, take 5 to 10 minutes on your own. If it's a little hard for you, it's okay. Just try your best and come back to me and we'll solve it together. Okay, my friends? See you in 5 minutes. We are back. Now, let's look at this right here. 50 plus 14. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then we have 14 right here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. The answer is 64. And this one are going to be a little easier just because we have the blocks. So it's always easier to count when we have blocks. So here we have 25, and here we have 3. So 25 plus 3, so 20, so 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 2, 8. Now, here we have our 6 and our 2. 66 plus 2. Now, we're going to underline the ones place first. Okay? And let's look at the ones place. So 6 plus 2, I know that we can start with 6 in our head. So 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 in the ones place. Now, let's underline the tens place. We have a 6 in the tens place, but we don't have anything in the tens place here. So I'm just going to do 6 because 6 plus nothing in the tens place is still 6. Now let's do this one. We're going to underline the ones place first. We always do the ones place first. 3 plus 0 equals 3. Then we're going to underline the tens place. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 73. Now let's underline the ones place again. We have 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's underline the tens place. There's a 1 here, but there's nothing here. So 1 plus nothing equals 1. Do you see what I'm doing, my friends? So I start with the ones place and then move to the tens place. It's much easier that way. So again, here's our ones place. Here's our ones place. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Now let's look at the 10th place. We have a 5 and nothing else. So we bring the 5 over here. It makes it 54. And for the last time, let's underline the ones place. We have a 0 and a 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6. Then we have 2 plus 7. So 7 plus 2, I get 7 in my head and I count 2 more. So 7, 8, 9. So I have 7 and 2 more, 7, 8, 9. Makes it 96. Now let's do this one. We're counting the ones place first. So 8 plus 1 equals 9, because 8, 9. And then in my tens place, there's nothing here. So I just bring the 8 down, and it makes it 89. 3 plus 3, that's a double, my friends. So we know 3 plus 3 equals 6. And in our tens place, we have 3 right here. Bring the 3 down because there's nothing there. It makes it 36. Oh, another double. 2 plus 2 in the ones place makes it 4 ones. Then we're going to bring our 1 down because there's 1 tens and 0, 0, there's 0 tens here. So we're going to just bring the 1 down, and that makes it 14. It's always easier to add one number at a time than adding the whole thing. So that's why we add one number at a time. So let's do our ones place here. 9 ones plus 0 ones equals 9. And then we're going to add our tens place. 7 ones plus 2 ones. So 7, 8, 9. And it makes it 99. Okay. Last page for today. Percy sees 3 ants in his farm. So let's underline it, 3 ants. Let's make it a little thicker. So Percy sees 3 ants in his ant farm. He sees 12 more ants. How many ants does he see in all? So 12 more means that we are adding. So 12 plus 3 equals what? Well, I know that I need to add my ones place first. So let's find the ones place here, and there's a ones place here. So 3 plus 2 equals what? Because it's very hard for me to add 12 plus 3 because here's 2 digits and 1. So that's kind of hard for me. Let's add one at a time. So 2 plus 3 equals what? 3 plus 2, so 3, 4, 5. So we know that we're going to have 5 ones, but that's not our full answer. We still need to look at our tens place. So here's 1 10, and there's nothing here. There's no tens here. There's only 3 ones. So we're just going to bring the 1 over, and that makes it 15 ants. Not 5, not 10, 15. So let's look at the next one. Kevin's team and Alonzo's team each have 25 points. So Kevin and Alonzo have 25 points. But then Kevin's team scores 3 more points. So Kevin's team has blank points. Let's see. So we know that Kevin's team did have 25 points. So 25 plus, and he got 3 more. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the ones place first. And we're going to look at 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is in our ones place, but Kevin does not have 8 points. We still need to add the tens place. So we have 2 here. We don't have anything in the tens place here, so we're just going to bring it down, and that makes it 28 points. Oh, but look, there's a second part to this problem. It says Alonzo's team scores 30 more points. So before Alonzo had 25, but then he got 30 more points. So what we're going to do is we have 25, because remember, they both had 25. Alonzo had 25 and Kevin had 25. So Alonzo has 25 plus he scored 30 more. 30. Now, which one are we going to add first? Are we going to add the tens place or the ones place? I hope you said the ones place. So 5 plus 0 equals 5. Then we have 2 plus 3. Well, I know 3 plus 2, get 3 in my head, and count 2 more, so 3, 4, 5. That makes it 55. So Kevin's team has 28 points, and Alonzo's team has 55 points. And finally, for your right math, it says find 54 plus 43. Explain how you add the ones. So the ones are four ones and 3 ones. So explain how you added these. So you're going to tell me the answer. So the answer is what? So what is 54 plus 3? And then you're going to tell me, how did you add the ones place? Okay, my friends? So that's it for today. I hope you have a great Tuesday. Remember to look on my YouTube page. You'll be able to find all of these great videos. Remember that we don't just have math now, we have math and language arts. So we get to be reading together and writing together. So we have that, and remember to check Class Dojo in the morning and at night. That's it, my friends. Have a great day. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye.